Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. This is your love reading from 16 to 31st October, being a general reading. Not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so could check those videos as well. So first I'll pull out your energies, like cards of your energies, then your person's energy, and we'll see a likely outcome if we get through till this month end. So let's see, this is your energies in love, Saggy. The Emperor, okay. 10 of Wands, Page of Swords, 8 of Pentacles, the Empress, bottom of the deck, 2 of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. So definitely good, I mean the indecision coming to a decision, that is what I feel here. Now let us see your person's energy. So this is one more shuffle, that's it. Sorry, these two cards came. Okay, so we'll take it here. Knight of Cups, the Emperor, here also you get an Emperor, King of Swords, 5 of Wands in reverse, 10 of Wands in reverse, and bottom of the deck is 6 of Swords with the Knight of Wands with the 9 of Wands. Let me see. Okay, so conflict mostly resolving, it seems. So I see here, Saggies, in your card, maybe in the past things haven't worked well. Some of you are they have taken your controls of your life back because there was things that did not work for you. This is for some of you, there was heartbreak, there was cheating, betrayal, or maybe the relationship wasn't exactly the way you thought. You put in a lot of effort, but right now you are more focused on work, business. You have taken the controls of your life back. No way emotionally getting carried away all the time. You are trying to hold on your emotions, you're trying to take control of your emotions. This is what I feel here. From some of you, definitely, there were issues, there were a lot of issues, and there was a break. It might be a temporary break, a small break, that is what I get. But now you have these controls in your hand. You are, you are reserved, you are closed off, you are not entertaining that person or the situations much. You are showing control, that is what. With Page of Swords, it seems that you still keep a tab on the person, you're still curious to know what's happening in their life. At times you watch through their social media profile, that is what it could be. They also doing this to you, energies could be vice versa. So you are keeping yourself busy with work and money and these situations. Now from the heartbreak, it's been a long tiring wait, and you are trying to move on. That is what I feel here. So you are putting your energy into work and money situation, your career here, and you are doing self work. That is, you are caring for yourself. You are, you are this into the Empress mode. You are doing self love, self care, and that is making you really attractive. That is, getting you in this Empress mode. That is what, very charming, very nurturing energy here. Some of you could be a married person also in this relationship, Sagittarius. You could be having, you could be married with kids. So some of you could be, it could be your energy too. But with here, bottom of the deck, it seems that 2 of Pentacles, and it seems that there was indecision on part of your person here, because this shows that there were indecision, they were in two minds, indecision, immaturity, lack of making a commitment. That is what there was this 2 of Pentacles. It could be an earth sign, that is what. Also it could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Swords energy. That is what I feel here. So earth signs, Taurus, Venus, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. So it seems that some of you will get a message of communication, a commitment, or taking the relationship to the next level, or at least being official. Your person might come and make a decision and make a commitment. This is for some of you here, especially if your person is an earth sign. This is what it could be other signs too, but it seems that Two of Pentacles with some of you could get a commitment from your person. If they have been running away from commitment or not messaging you, it could happen, they committing. This is for some of you here. Yeah, but some of you still are focusing, self-focused. You will be self-focused. You will be still stuck in certain situations here. You will try to move out, but at the end, you might still have feelings for this person here. But you have taken controls, and no more you are, with this Emperor energy, you are no more giving it into this cycle of being treated, ill treatment, left out. That is what I feel here. With your person's energy, Knight of Cups, Emperor. So your person was also holding back. Some of your person, especially if you are dating an Aries or Knight of Cups, so your Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, so they might be holding back. They might be holding back. They still not showing feelings. That their feelings for you, they might be reserved. They also are focused again, as you got an Emperor card, this person, your person, for some of you also focused on their money, career situations. That is what I get here. But again, we get King of Swords and the Five of Swords in reverse. It seems that especially Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, some of them are ready to put their guards down and want the situation, want to come together with you. They want this relationship with you. That is what I feel here. Ten of Wands in reverse. It seems that they are ready to work on this relationship. Five of Swords. So especially with Wands, fire signs, if they are, and Swords, Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, so some of them might definitely want to work on this relationship. Here, let me see, Six of Swords and the Knight of Wands. Yeah, but see, they want this, but here again you get this Nine of Wands. So some of them do want, some of them feel that they want this, but also you get the Six of Swords. Six of Swords is like moving away from a situation. So some of them again, I feel here, maybe feeling that they have moved away from this situation, but they haven't. They still underneath, they still want to work on this relationship here. And some of them, although with lot of feeling, movement, feeling still there, they will be guarded. They will be that Nine of Wands. They will not open up, and the situation will be stuck as it is. They will keep tab on you. You will keep tab on them, but this situation will be stuck here. But again, I told you that there is commitment coming for some of you here. Messages coming, communication coming, and some of you, especially with earth signs, or you might get a commitment. Somebody will come and rushing to you, and they will come and they will commit to you. Your relationship will go to a next level here. Also, it seems that new love for some of you here from a person. There could be a revival of a past lover coming back to you. It could be this person, it could be someone else from the past, maybe some other ex, maybe some other person you had relationship. So that for some of you Librans, I feel that someone else also could come into your life here, who could give you a commitment, who could come to commit to you again. It's not necessarily the same person you are. It could be someone from your past coming with a stability, promising stability or a commitment. So this is for some of you here. Yeah, new love from the past, revival of a new love from an ex whom you may have dated, or they might have liked you, or it could be even maybe they might have liked you, but they will come up with a solid proposal. They'll come up with a solid stability, with stability, with commitment. They are going to come to you here. So finally what I see is that coming out of confusion, some will come and commit to you in this your person, and here this is a person from your past, an ex. It could be them, it could be some other person, but commitment coming for some of you here with the 6 of Cups, Ace of Cups, and this is going to be good. It will go forward. That is what I get here. So this is it, Saggies. If you do like my readings, resonates with your situation, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Stay blessed.